Ghats of Varanasi have been witnesses to culture for generations. Even today, those who live here are so drawn towards them that they feel reluctant to leave the area and settle anywhere else. This is how it was with Dr. Bhola Nath Dwivedi. In the course of his admirable mission to popularize science, he received invitations from all over the world, but was firm in his decision never to leave India. Although his main focus has been on areas such as the physics and diagnostics of solar UV and X-ray emission processes, planetary atmosphere, waves and oscillations in the solar atmosphere, and on teachings, he has also had a special interest in writing on scientific issues for books and journals. By writing about current scientific issues in prestigious scientific journals, this scientist-writer attracted widespread attention for the clarity and appeal of his communications. Besides writing for technical journals such as Scientific American and Astronomy Now, he has also contributed to mainstream journals, and his stories have often made it to the cover. He has written so much on popular science that one often wonders what exactly it was that actually inspired him.
I believed that any popular scientist, if he reaches millions of people through his writing in magazines, in books, and if it is not factually from the fundamental viewpoint right, then it belied the interest among the masses. And therefore it is very important, and it can be done only from a competent person in the field and who loves to communicate it to the general people, to create an interest, to make them feel how science makes life wonderful on this planet.
The more he wrote on popular science issues, the more popular he became. Gradually, Dr. Dwivedi became firmly established in the minds of readers as a science writer. In 2004, American Astronomical Society honored him for his writings on solar physics. In 1999, Germany's Max Planck Institute presented him with the MPAE Gold Pin Award. Even today, he continues to receive several awards and felicitations. In 2003, he was invited by the Cambridge University Press to be the editor of a prestigious book known as Dynamic Sun. Alongside of this, several international science journals have from time to time asked him to be their guest editor. There is no dearth of challenges in attempting to popularize science, and this is how Dr. Dwivedi sees them.
It is not a cry, it has to come from within. If I throw a waste, what is the effect? We are at the verge of technological revolution par excellence, and science popularization is bound to play a central role in this direction, and that is how I continue to strive very hard for last 15 years, contributing to science popularization through very well recognized and excellent magazines throughout the world.
This quest of Dr. Dwivedi's to make science appealing to the common man is a never-ending one. The man who set out years ago on a journey to take science to people like you and me continues even today to be a tireless traveler.